channel, in my family vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate spiral bun. This is very soft and tasty and kids will love this. I'm sure you'll like the video and click on the like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please subscribe. Come with me to kitchen. We need Maida, warm milk, crushed cashew nuts, milk, oil, yeast, cocoa powder, sugar and salt. Take a bowl and add sugar. Add warm milk. Mix well. Add yeast. Mix well. Close and keep it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the yeast mix is ready. Add salt to the Maida. Add the yeast mix. Mix it well. Now we make the dough. Now add oil. Divide into 2 portions. Keep 1 portion into the bowl. Close and keep it for 1 hour. Now take the other portion. Add cocoa powder. Now mix this. Now the chocolate dough is ready. Now put into another bowl. Close and keep for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough is ready. Spread some Maida. First take chocolate dough. Spread Maida. Roll it with the roller. thickness should be like this. Now take the other down. Again spread some maida. Do the same. Now spread milk. Now keep the chocolate sheet on this. Press it. Spread milk on the top. Now spread cashew nuts. This is optional. Now cut into two. Now roll it. Like this. Now cut into pieces. Like this. Froze and keep for 20 minutes. Now we need to make this. Spread some milk. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. My chocolate spiral bun is ready. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also don't forget to subscribe.